Hello, good morning, welcome back, dears. So, today we will summarize the whole poem, The Brook. Okay, we have already started a new lesson, The Brook. Okay, which is composed by Alfred Lord Tennyson, and today we will whole describe or summarize the poem. Okay, so I have given you the idea in my previous lecture. The brook means a small narrow river, a stream, एक झरना. Okay, and it is an autobiography of a brook itself. Okay, the poem is a description of travel of a brook. So we have seen about many concepts regarding the poem. So poem is an autobiography of a brook itself. Okay, and poem is a description of journey traveled by the brook. Okay, and if we talk about poem, so the poem personify or signify the importance of human life. Okay, the poem, in the poem The Brook, we are comparing, the poet compares the life of brook, the poet compares the journey of brook by human life. Okay, the journey that we have to follow, same journey the brook have to follow. Okay, if we compare to brook, that if we compare brook to human being, we also need a target, a aim. Okay, we also need a target, an aim. Okay, a goal, and we will follow our goal, we work hard for getting our goal. So when we have our goal, it means that is our destination. Okay, so same like that, everyone would like to get his destination. Okay, so for getting the destination, we prepare or we make goal and target. Okay, then we start working hard. Okay, then we follow the goal and target for getting our destination. So same like that, the brook also has its goal, the brook also has its destination, and he would like to get his destination. Okay, so what will be the destination of the brook? So the brook has the destination Brimming River. He would like to join Brimming River. He wants to join Brimming River. So that is his destination, that is the destination of brook. So same like that, if the small river has its own destination, so we are human being, we have to make our destination and we have to achieve it. Okay, so everyone has their destination, everyone has its destination. So that's why for getting the destination, we prepare or make goal, and then we start working hard, then we try to follow the path, and by following that path, definitely one day we will reach to our destination. Okay, so the poem personifies the nature of brook by the nature of human beings. Okay, so the poem compares the idea, the poem compares the brook to the human nature. Okay, so we have seen many idea about the brook. So now let's start the whole summary of lesson. Okay, so it is an autobiography, it is an autobiography, okay, of a brook itself, and it is a description of the journey traveled by the brook. Okay, so he passes from many places. Okay, when the brook starts its journey, okay, when he starts his journey from any source, okay, so then he has to join the Brimming River after that. Okay, so he comes from various places, the brook comes from various places. Okay, and the places which are frequently visited by the water birds, like heron and coot. Okay, so he visited many places. Okay, he comes from various places, and the place are the places which are frequently visited by the water birds, heron and coot. Okay, cot and heron. In the poem, the poet is talking about two water words, heron and cot. Okay, so I am summarizing the poem on the basis of some points. The points are very important. If we learn the poem by points, so easily we can deal with the question answer. Okay, so again I am replying, it is an autobiography, okay, of a brook itself. Okay, then it is a description of its life and its journey traveled by himself or itself. Okay, then the brook flows down from many places. Okay, various places he has to see, and which are the places are frequently visited by the water birds. Okay, like heron and cot. Okay, then after passing from there, he passes from the valley. Okay, the brook passes from the valley. He passed over the valley. Okay, and while he was passing out from there, so he produces noises. Okay, he makes noise while flowing from the valley. Okay, so he flows from the valley, he produces noises. Okay, then he emerges suddenly. Okay, after passing from the valley while making the noise, he emerged suddenly. Okay, he emerged suddenly. So then he hurries down. After passing from the valley, he hurries down from the hills. Okay, he hurries down from the hills and slip by the ridges. Okay, after passing from the valley, he hurries down from the hills. Okay, now he is passing from the hills. Okay, or after passing from the hill, so during its journey, while he was traveling his journey, so during its journey he passes 30 hills. Okay, he passes 20 villages, he passes from 50 bridges, and he passes from a small town. That is the place that the place has been passed by the brook. Okay, the brook starts its journey from a source. Okay, and he would like to join a brimming river. So he has been passed from many places. So we are talking about the places that firstly he passes from various places, and the places are frequently visited by the water birds, cot and heron. Okay, cot and heron, these are water birds. So the places frequently visited by the water birds. Okay, from where the brook have passed, the brook has passed. Okay, next, then he flows down in a valley. Okay, then he flows down in a valley, and while he was passing from the valley, he makes noises. Okay, then he flows from hills. Okay, after passing from the valley, he hurries down. Okay, why he is in hurry? So he is in hurry because he would like to meet the brimming river, and the brimming river is the destination of brook. As we have our own destination, as you have your own destination, that you would like to get the highest mark in the exam, that is your destination. You would like to be an IPS or IAS officer, that is your destination. So same like that, brook has its own destination, to meet or to join brimming river. Okay, so it hurries down the hills. Okay, and slip by the ridges. Then during its journey he passes from many places. So from which places he passes? So I gave you idea that he passes 30 hills. Okay, he passes 20 villages, he passes from 50 bridges, and he passes from a small town. Okay, a small town. So there were some places from where he passes. Okay, and the places emerged and came in its way while he was passing from those places. Okay, then he flows from Phillips. So we are talking for an individual person, but it means that we are talking for farms and field. Okay, so in its way there are many farms and field located or situated, so it passes from that farms and field. So he flows by Phillips form. Okay, then he joins the brimming river. Okay, so he would like to join the brimming river. The brimming river is the destination for him. Okay, so then the poet tells us, the poet recounts, generation after generation of men came. Generation after generation of men came and died. Okay, but still he is passing. Still the brook is flowing. Still the brook is traveling on its destined path. Okay. So when he passes from different places, he produces strong and loud noises. Okay. While he was passing from the stones, or while he was passing over the stones and rocks, okay, so that time he was producing now noises. The loud noises came while he passes from stones and rocks. Okay, so produces strange and strong and loud noises while passing over stony and rocky areas. Okay, then next, when sometimes we saw that the water moves in a spiral manner. Yes, sometimes he passes from a spiral manner. Okay, sometimes it makes a spiral way. Okay, and when it gets angry, so that time he creates curve. Okay, when the brook gets angry, okay, that time he starts creating curve. Okay, so sometimes he flows in a spiral manner. Okay, and when it gets angry, so that time he makes curve on the bank of the brook. Okay, on the bank and fallow field. So he made curved lines. Okay, when it gets angry. So next, then we talk about whole summary. So it passes from many places. We have seen. Okay, it has its own destiny. It has its own goal and target, like we have. Okay, so in human life, in our life, when we set our goal, so then we start following goal. Okay, so for getting the goal, we made our own path. Okay, we make our own path and we try to follow the path. Okay, by hard work or sincerity. Okay, so same like that, it is passing from different places. It has experience to see many things. So he passes from the banks of the field. He passes from dense forest. Okay, he passes from cloudy mountain. He passes from rocky and sandy areas. Okay, and he passes from different bank of the cities and village and towns. Okay, so he passes from many places. Okay, he passes from fairy fall lands. Yes, fairy fall lands. So and covered with wallow, weed and mallow. Okay, means the area that has been covered by grass, like meadows. So he passes from meadows, he passes from grassy lands. Okay, and sometimes it passes from empty plots and fields. Okay, so why he is in hurry? So he is in hurry because he would like to join the brimming river. Okay, and the brimming river is the destiny for him. Okay, so for meeting the brimming river, he is in hurry. Okay, then we'll see many times the sunshine, the beam of the sunshine and the swallow fly on over the water. Okay, and it appears like that they were trying to dance. Okay, and they appear like that as they were dancing, as they would like to dance. So the swallow and sunbeams fly on its surface. Okay, we talk about swallow a word. Okay, and we talk about the sunbeams. So the swallows, the words, and the sunbeams. Okay, just flying over its surface, okay, and they appear as they are going to dance. They appear to dance, okay, and it slips. The brook, many times the brook has sleeping, slippery, sliding, glooming, okay, glances merrily in its way, okay. So it slips, okay, it slips, it slides, it glooms, okay, and glances merrily while a journey, while its journey, okay. So the brook passes silently, okay. So when he passes by lawns and empty plots, so he passes silently, it passes silently, okay. So many things I have given, I have shown you on the board, okay. Then sometimes he passes from the hazel trees, he passes over the grassy field, he passes beside the hazel trees, okay, and he just carry the sweetness of forget me not plant. You have seen forget me not plant. Forget me not plant means the plant of, if I call in Hindi, chui mui, chui mui, okay. Chui mui means when we touch the plant, when we touch the leaves of the plant, is it suddenly closed, it closed, it closed immediately when we touch the touch me not plant, okay. So it carries the flaws and the gloom of touch me not plant for the lovers, okay. I already mentioned you, it takes the sweet forget me not plant flaws, okay. It carries the flaws of touch me not plant for lovers. For whom? So for happy lovers, okay. And now in the end, at the end, he would like to join the brimming river, he would like to join the brimming river, okay. So humans and brook, both shows as same, okay. We talk about the brook, so by giving the example of brook, we have seen human beings destination or destiny, okay, and how they follow their goal target, okay. So in Brook's life, he has to see or face lots of hurdle challenges, but he tries to overcome, he tried to overcome all the hurdles, challenges, okay. And what and challenges, problems, okay. So as like that, as we have to also be ready for faces the challenges, hurdles, okay, and problems in our life. So it was all about the lecture. So we have done the whole poem, okay. So we'll see in next lecture.